Something we see a lot in Muse Knoxville are mazes. Made from blocks, Legos, and even our amazing Airways is a maze. Let's take the items and magnets from the Amusements Magnificent Magnets kit and have some fun making mazes. The first maze I want to make uses the iron filings. Take a piece of paper and draw a maze. Maybe it is all straight lines, or is a big spiral, or goes all over the paper. Once the maze is made, sprinkle some iron filings at the start line. Then, using a magnet under the paper, with the paper acting as a barrier, lead the filings through the maze. Have someone in your home try to complete your maze as well. Do they know why the iron filings are attracted to the magnet? Why can the magnet still work through the paper? Tell them what you've learned. Create a new maze if you would like, or have someone create a new maze for you. I've decided to use Legos to make my new maze. Take out 3 of the magnetic marbles and put them at the start. Then place a magnet close to them and lead them through the maze. Can you lead more than 3 marbles through the maze without touching the walls? Try making a maze out of other items from your home, like blocks or books, and lead the marbles through the maze. Thank you for watching and exploring Amusements Magnificent Magnets. Everyone at Muse Knoxville hopes you join us again for more aha moments in amusements.